Hi, I'm Jaime Rutt with another BrainFit video. And this video is all about vestibular ocular reflex, or we just say VOR for short. Now, what that means is we're going to teach you how your eye and your inner ear communicate with each other, and then that in turn helps you with your balance and your coordination. So this chart is going to help you with your VOR. So I'm going to show this to you. So for this one, what you're going to do is you're going to keep your focus on this M with your eyes, but then you're going to let your head travel along this line. Now, say for example, you were the chart. So I'm going to keep my eyes focused on you, and I'm just going to turn my head side to side, but see how my eyes are not drifting. And then you're going to keep your eyes focused on the M, and you're going to travel your head up, and you're going to travel your head down. So I like to think of my nose traveling along the space or up and down. What you'll see, we usually want a partner for this exercise because you need your partner to watch you and make sure your eyes are staying focused on the M, because sometimes you'll see this. So where did my eyes go, right? My eyes are not staying focused and locked forward. So I'm going to show you if we put the chart. This one's a little hard to see because you're just going to see the back of my head. You won't really see my eyes, but you do want to place the chart at eye level and then line your nose right up with the M. So you'll be about here, and I'm going to keep my eyes locked on the M, and I'm going to travel my head from side to side. And then you'll do that for maybe a minute, 30 seconds to a minute. Do it enough where you feel like you have found a good groove to it. Then just kind of blink a couple times and then reset yourself. And then you're going to let your eyes travel up and down. So again, I'll be looking at the M, and I'll let my head travel up and travel down. And the same thing, you're going to want to do that for about a minute, maybe longer, maybe shorter. It just depends on you. Sometimes your eyes will feel tired right away, so maybe you do a little less. Or if you feel like you really have it going, you can go a little bit longer and a little bit quicker. But the most important thing is to make sure that the eyes stay focused right on that M as you turn your head side to side. All right, now, just for this video, I just want you doing the side to side and the up and down. We're not going to do the diagonals just yet. So try those first two and let me know how you do.